Ian's always one to open it.
It's actually a pretty nice looking engine bay. It's wide as f in the LS. In this bad boy.
God damn.
It's going well so far. Nothing for the camera.
Fits.
Is this a Japanese car? I don't know what Hyundai is. Hyundai's Japanese?
It's not Japanese, it's Korean.
Like,
where the f is the medium ratchets? Use this thing. How big are these bolts? Because this thing's massive. Oh, of course I get it. It's a 10.
10 mil.
Damn.
The classic.
Unique.
Check this good.
Hey YouTube. So today we're installing a Go Fast Bits blow-off
Why did
valve
we start that so late?
on a 2013 Hyundai Veloster.
You barely can see you. There's no light on this end. Oh,
good now?
Oh, yeah.
So today we're installing Go Fast Bits on a Hyundai Veloster 2013 Turbo. Because I mean, you couldn't really put a blow-off valve on a non-turbo. I mean, but yeah, we're doing Go Fast Bits on a Turbo Hyundai Veloster 2013. First, you got to start by removing these 4 bolts on the top of your radiator cover, and these 2 Phillips screw heads on the sides of your radiator cover.
By the way, YouTube, this vlog is probably not coming out for another 6 months.
Yeah.
You have to say the date so that when it does come out.
Right now,
January
January 10th, Sunday, 2021.
Okay.
What about this? Doesn't this have to come off too, or is that?
No, that's not a part of it. So that's your
Learning.
cover. Okay, so then there's 4 clips apparently on the bottom, according to this. There should be 4 right
Dude, imagine
here.
using a manual to install a...
What the
Imagine?
heck's under here?
You know?
Yeah, dude, this really not easy. You missed 90% of it because the Kyle and Ryan are sitting in the car.
I'm hearing a lot of toxicity.
Yeah, it's very cold.
Oh, no way. No way. Oh well. So it does tell you to put that factory clip on there.
That down on there.
Yeah.
How?
Give it like one tiny one. Maybe a little bit there. Give it like one big one.
Damn, I heard a little bit of spool
I had a little bit of spool. Just a tiny bit.
Dude, that thing with the blow-off valve sounds so
I know.
good.
Well, don't worry. You know, for the YouTube video, it'll be like, you know.
I'm so
Cold, man.
Okay. You ready? Yeah. Turn her on. Small. Not a big one yet. Just a little bit louder.
Bro, that sounds so good.
A little louder.
Holy. Not air, that thing's dumping.
Yeah. Give her one good one. You see that?
Yeah.
It came out.
Audio reaction.
That is
giant.
Jesus Christ. You know it's cold outside when you go outside and it's cold.
-3. Really feels like -6.
So we're gonna do a quick drive-by here. Blow-off valves in. Spicy.
Kind of pretty nice.
Hands are pretty.
Hands dirty, hands hurty.
Hands dirty.
Feet hurty.
Feet hurty.
Yo, I didn't know you were installing the car.
I am the car, actually. They're just, you know.
Right inside of you?
Yeah, that, what?
Jesus Christ. Jesus. Jeez. Yeah.
Oh my god. That sounded nice.
Imagine not running Ryan over.
I know.
Yeah, I know. I'm barking.
Pussy.
There goes another one. No. I think I did. Ooh, the small one. The little upshift.
On a Tim's.
That is so nasty.
Yeah,